Yummy. Is that yummy, baby boy?
Is that good stuff? And Mama makes the best lunches. Mommy makes the best lunches. Who's that? Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad, watch me. I'm eating.
Oh, wait until the movie's done.
Theo.
Open up.
Open up. Num 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 nums. Num num. Oh. Yes, that is good. That is good. You are such a good eater. Delicious. Delicious. Looks kind of gross. He loves it. He loves it. What's down there? Briefly sidetracked. Briefly sidetracked. Back focused. I'm focused. Good stuff. I know, we can't get it in the mouth fast enough, huh? What? Did we make a mess? Did we make a mess? What?
Theo. There you go.
Num num nums. Num,
You can
nums.
like spoon some of it off his chin and back into his mouth.
Oh, I know. He thinks it's
Except
a trick.
he thinks that you're not giving it to him, yeah. Yeah,
It's
Dad.
not a joke. It's not a joke. This is serious business. Serious business.
Hi.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Num num nums. Numma numma.
Hi, Auntie Christine.
Hey there. Hey there. You want a little more? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. How does it taste? Are you enjoying the flavor profile? Is it a nice flavor profile?
This is the special recipe. It's got banana and baby cereal and formula and pears.
Delicious.
And the reason it has formula instead of the real milk is because Mommy has some medicine going on. See that? There's medicine coming in there, and we can't breastfeed the baby right now. So we have to have formula, which he hates. Hates it, hates it, hates it. You hate it.
I know. Hang on. Hang tough, buddy. Hang tough, buddy. All right. We're working. We're working on it, huh? Do you realize that this is your, what, third meal? I haven't had anything. I had a coffee. That's not much, huh? What are we trying to say here?
You're a growing baby, that's what. You're a growing boy.
Are you still taping?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think the entertainment is, you know, we're getting the idea. We're getting the idea that Theo's having a nice lunch, aren't you?
Hold on. Hold on. I got it on your chin. There's nothing to
Short
cry about.
fuse, baby boy. You got a short fuse, don't you?
I'd love to speak to you off the record soon.
Okay.
All
Alright. Bye-bye. The video's over. Say bye-bye, Theo.
See ya. I'm done.
Theo.
I'm outie.
I'm just going to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Signing off. Adios.